We will present the new instruments, Vertex Laser Geo 2, Laser Geo 2, DME 301, and will also introduce the T4 transponder and the non-magnetic monopod for use with the Geo 2 instruments. Why Vertex Laser Geo 2 or Laser Geo 2? The first Vertex laser, introduced in 2005, was a pioneering instrument that combined two measuring techniques in one device. Since then, the Vertex Laser Geo has been instrumental in opening new markets and solving previously impossible tasks for our customers. Launched in 2017, the VL Geo has found applications across various industries, including mining, wood chip inventory, roundwood measurement, and cable winding. However, the limited memory and processing capacity of the Geo restrict the development of new customer applications as the unit's data storage is fully utilized. Additionally, numerous customers have requested enhanced features and functions, which the original Geo hardware cannot support. In response, we initiated the development of the next-generation Geo 2 instruments in early 2022, focusing on incorporating advanced components. The journey to create a ready and tested product involves multiple stages. We are pleased to announce that the Vertex Laser Geo 2 received the Innovation Award at the KWF Expo this summer. Production is now underway, and the Geo 2 will be available for delivery starting October 1, 2024. To visually differentiate between Geo and Geo 2 units, observe the crystal emblem on the side of the instrument, which will indicate either Geo or Geo 2. Additionally, upon starting the unit, the newer models will display VL Geo 2 or L Geo 2 in the upper right corner. Geo 2 is a small handheld device with multiple functionalities. The Geo 2 instruments have various sensors and components built in. Laser rangefinder, distances from 10 centimeters, 4 inches, up to 700 meters, 2,297 feet, with an accuracy of plus or minus 4 centimeters, 1.6 inches. The Vertex Laser Geo 2, identified by its orange color, includes ultrasound for distance measurement. This feature works with the T4 transponder and is suitable for dense areas such as forests or when the line of sight is obscured, with a range from 10 centimeters to 30 meters. Temperature sensor, used to monitor the values of the transducers at different temperatures and adjust distances during ultrasonic measurement. Graphical LCD display, shows information menus and measurement values. IR transmitter, transfers measurement values directly to Haglöf Sweden's data and electronic calipers such as DP2+ and MD2+. Head-up display, displays various measurement values directly in the sight during measurements and used in remote diameter measurement. USB port, connects to a PC for downloading data files and charging the battery. 3D tilt sensor, performs all angle measurements. Speaker, confirms and signals during measurement. Lithium-ion battery, charged via the USB port. GPS, multi-global navigation satellite system support including GPS, USA, GLONASS, Russia, Galileo, EU, QZSS, Japan. Compass, accuracy less than 1.5 RSME, root mean square error. Solid-state disk, 1000 megabits capacity can store 10,000 datasets. Bluetooth, dual-mode Bluetooth BR/EDR, Bluetooth Low Energy version 4.2 and Classic Connection, SPP, serial profile. What distinguishes the Geo 2 from the original Geo? The Geo 2 is equipped with a processor that is 150% faster and features 100% more program memory compared to the original Geo. It also offers 1,000 times more storage memory, with significantly enhanced read and write speeds. The compass in the Geo 2 operates with greater speed and accuracy, boasting a root mean square error, RSME, of less than 1.5. The 3D tilt sensor in the Geo 2 is both faster and more precise. The sight glass in the Geo 2 is clearer, allowing for improved light penetration. The Geo 2 supports Bluetooth Low Energy, LE, version 4.2. The Vertex Laser Geo 2 comes with the new T4 transponder. An optional monopod with tilt function for remote diameter measurement or other measurements is now available and is non-magnetic, ensuring that the influence of the compass on the Geo2 instrument is minimized. These enhancements make the Geo2 a superior choice for professionals seeking advanced performance and reliability. The Geo2 instruments is fully programmable, allowing users to purchase and install new applications independently. Additionally, we offer the service of developing entirely custom applications tailored to specific requirements. This flexibility permits the installation of multiple applications within the Geo2, enabling users to seamlessly switch between these applications at any time. The Geo2 comes pre-installed with a standard application that includes all the functionalities available in its predecessor, the Geo. Furthermore, the standard application introduces several enhanced features. Remote diameters. This feature enables the measurement of diameters from a distance and at any height. BAF, basal area factor, or reverse prism. Users can now configure a factor ranging from 0.0 to 999.9. Additionally, the standard program encompasses numerous functions, such as height measurement, 1PL, 3D vector, among others. Users have the capability to customize the menu by hiding unused functions, thereby simplifying the usability of the instrument. The following functions are available in the standard application delivered with Geo2 instruments. Height. 3P. 3-point measurement with laser and angles. 1PL, 1-point measurement with laser and angle. Height DME, Vertex Laser Geo 2 only 2-point measurement with ultrasound. At any time when a height is measured, the instrument can be rotated 90 degrees to measure a diameter using the remote diameter function. This function must be activated under Settings. Other functions. Map trail, useful when mapping trails, roads, possible tracks or routes where GPS data is not accurate enough. Map target. The feature is useful for 3D mapping of different types of large targets, such as wood chip piles or gravel piles. Measure an area. 3D vector. Useful for measuring a missing line, objects such as the width of a tree crown, or for determining the slope of a hill far away. Line clear. Measure and check if a tree will fall on a power line. Delta height. Measure how much a power line hangs down to the ground, sag. Compass. Measure compass direction. Angle. Measure a slope angle. BAF. Reverse prism. All these functions can be selected under Settings to be active or inactive. There are some new features in the standard Geo2 app. Customize the menu to suit your requirements. By disabling features that are unnecessary will make the menu more concise and easier to navigate. You can enable or disable features by selecting or deselecting the checkbox under Settings menu. BAF basal area factor, or reverse prism functions, now offer more flexibility. Previously, there were only 10 fixed values available. In Geo2, you can set the factor from 0.0 up to 999.9. Setting it to 0.0 indicates that BAF functions are turned off. Remote diameter opens up exciting new opportunities with Geo2 instruments. This function makes it possible to measure the diameter from any distance or height from a tree or object. The main purpose is to capture diameters that cannot be measured or reached from the ground or for other reasons. In many inventories, one parameter is the diameter at a certain height, which can be easily recorded using the new feature in Instrument. Both the diameter and the height at which the diameter is measured are recorded. The user can also measure multiple heights and diameters of the same tree to create a stem profile. This can be used for research purposes. Geo2 provides two options. The first option allows you to input a fixed diameter and then determine the height at which this diameter occurs on the tree trunk. The second option enables you to measure the diameter at any distance and height by adjusting the bars to fit the tree trunk. Activate the function in the Constant Availability Settings menu. When remote diameter is enabled, the instrument automatically switches to diameter mode when turned 90 degrees right after measuring distance or height. With remote diameter, users can choose between two types of sights to measure a diameter. The bar sight has two vertical lines that indicate the limits of the diameter to be measured, while the line sight consists of a horizontal line that extends from one end of the diameter to the other. The sight can be easily adjusted using the arrow keys, and the measurement is confirmed by pressing the on button. To make remote diameter measurement easier, we strongly recommend using our new non-magnetic monopod. Next, we will examine the next generation of DME, DME 301. The DME 201 has been available for nearly 30 years and is appreciated by professional users for its ease of use and durable housing. The DME has now been upgraded to the next generation, maintaining the core concept of the unit while introducing new requested features. Spotting the DME 301 just got a lot easier. We've ditched the grey and embraced a vibrant orange, all thanks to your fantastic feedback. Can you imagine a color that screams innovation more? DME 301 features: orange casing for better visibility, graphic display for easier reading and better results presentation, built-in loudspeaker, updated BAF function, new function called DIST, and DME 301 includes the new T4 transponder. The T4 transponder offers a major improvement over previous models. Ultrasound interference can be challenging to detect, making distance measurement impossible due to constant ticking. This ticking is only audible with good hearing and close proximity. However, T4's LED lights flash to indicate interference from sources like power lines, water ripples, chainsaws, or insects such as locusts. Additionally, we've adjusted the battery compartment to fit all AA 1.5 batteries due to size variations. Measuring a basal area is used for point sampling, which involves selecting a central point in a plot and counting trees around this point using a prism or a factor gauge with a predefined factor. This method helps in obtaining the volume. If there are obstructions that prevent measuring certain trees, the BAF reverse prism in DME can be used. By placing the T4 transponder at the center of the plot and measuring from the tree with the DME 301, the DME 301 will indicate the minimum diameter required for the tree to be counted. In the DME 301, the BAF factor can be set from 0 to 999.9. With the new DIST functions, you can set a max distance value. If you go over that distance while measuring, the instrument gives you a heads-up with a signal so you don't have to keep checking the display. It's handy when you're working on circular plots with a fixed radius. Thanks for checking out our presentation on these instruments. We hope you found the info helpful. Feel free to reach out if you've got any questions.